Hello my fellow linguists, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and you all are watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach foreign languages for job. We also provide a job-oriented course with a duration of 2 years. For more information regarding that course, you can call on the numbers mentioned below or download the application link provided in the description box. So today we are going to learn about the different hobbies. Now, hobbies are something that we like doing in our free time, something that we enjoy doing. So, first in the video, I will tell you all how to tell someone that I like doing this thing. And then later, we look at the different hobbies. What are these hobbies called in German? So, fangen wir an. Let's start. If anyone asks you, was machst du in deiner Freizeit? What do you do in your free time? Or was ist dein Hobby? What is your hobby? So how will you answer? So you will reply saying, for example, now my hobby is to cook. I like cooking. So to cook in German is kochen. Kochen. So now I want to say I like cooking. Ich koche gern. So this gern, it's an adjective which means to like or something that we enjoy. So ich koche gern. Another example, suppose my hobby is swimming. Ich schwimme gern. I like to swim. Another example. Ich spiele Fußball gern. I like to play football. So this is how you will tell someone that you like doing this thing. This is your hobby. Ich koche gern. Ich schwimme gern. Ich spiele Fußball gern. So these are the sentences. Now let's look at different hobbies. What are they called in German? Yes, die verschiedenen Hobbys. Now the different hobbies. So to read, that is lesen. To read, Bücher lesen, Magazin lesen, Zeitung lesen. Lesen. Next, to play. Spielen. Fußball spielen, Tennis spielen. We have different hobbies. We like different sports. So, Fußball spielen, Cricket spielen, Tennis spielen und so weiter. To travel. Reisen. Reisen. That is to travel. Then to sing. Singen. Singen. So, lesen, spielen, reisen, singen. Next, to dance. That is tanzen. Tanzen. To dance. Now, how will I say I like dancing? As I mentioned before, ich tanze gern. Ich tanze gern. Next, to paint. Malen. Malen. To paint. Then, to listen music. Most of us like to listen to different kind of music. Classic, rock, pop. It just relaxes our mind. It's something that we enjoy doing. So, to listen music, Musik hören. Musik hören. To wandern. It's the same. Wander. Wandern. So, tanzen, malen, Musik hören, wandern. Next, a very interesting hobby, that is to collect stamps. So that will be Briefmarken, that is stamps. Sammeln, to collect stamps. Briefmarken, sammeln. Next, to click photos, that is fotografieren. Fotografieren, to play an instrument. Musikinstrumente spielen. Next, to swim. Schwimmen. Schwimmen. So, Briefmarken sammeln, fotografieren, Musikinstrumente spielen und schwimmen. So, these were some of the hobbies. Now, since we have learned most of the hobbies, I would love to know your hobbies. So, please mention in the comment box below what are your hobbies, what are the things that you all like to do in your free time. Also, if there are any hobbies that I have missed out on, please mention those down. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's lecture. For more such content, please click on the bell icon on a YouTube app to never miss out on any update by Language Fluent. Also, to register for the complete course, you can call on the numbers provided below or download the application link mentioned below. We at Language Fluent also have translation and interpretation services. See you all next time. Cheers!